In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add e-commerce categories to a Weebly website. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open your Weebly site editor. This is your main hub for all site customizations, allowing you to really start building the look and feel of your online shop. So whether you're working on a brand new site or updating an existing one, head into your site editor and let's get started. Once you're in the editor, look for the Build tab at the top navigation bar. Click on it, and this will open up your element toolbox. This toolbox is where you'll find all kinds of elements that you can add to your site to enhance its functionality and design. Now, scroll through your element list until you find the Categories option, which you'll find in the e-commerce section. This is a key feature for your online store as it allows you to organize your products into logical and easy-to-navigate categories. This makes it much easier for your customers to find exactly what they're looking for. Next, here comes the fun part, dragging and dropping. Click on the Categories element and simply drag it onto your page. You can place it exactly where you want it to appear for your customers. Whether you want it at the top of your shop, in a sidebar, or the bottom, this gives you full control over its placement on your page. Once you have positioned the Categories element where you like it, it's time to configure it. Click on the element you just placed, and this will open the Setup menu. In this menu, you can start adding new categories. For instance, if you have a clothing store, you might want categories like men's clothing, women's clothing, or accessories. As you set up your categories, you can also rename them and organize your products by type, price, or any custom label that makes sense for your business. This level of organization not only makes your site look cleaner, but also enhances the shopping experience for your visitors, allowing them to navigate easily. What's great is that once you configure your categories, they will appear automatically on your site. This means that as you add new products or tweak existing ones, your categories will help guide your customers in finding exactly what they need without frustration. And here's a little tip. As your inventory grows, be sure to go back and update your categories. Keeping them relevant and current will help maintain a good flow for your customers and make your site feel fresh and organized. So there you have it. Adding e-commerce categories to your Weebly website is straightforward and helps enhance both your store's organization and your customers' shopping experience. I hope you found these steps helpful, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Remember, if you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching, and happy